Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about the Behringer RD-78. It is a classic analog drum machine with 15 drum sounds, 34 iconic rhythmic presets, and a 16-step sequencer. When it comes to some of its features, it has true analog circuitry. It has an authentic replication of the CR-78 circuitry from the 70s. The 15 original drum sound have mixed parameters and global accent capability. The 34 iconic rhythmic patterns have fill, rolling, and break variations. There's 10 independent analog outputs for external processing or recording your rhythms. And this is amazing for multi-track recording and audio. There is a 16-step drum sequencer with real-time switching between 32 separate patterns. Patterns can be chained into full songs with up to 250 bars. There's 16 authentic step style buttons with LED indicators for easy pattern creation, 18 controls with 29 switches. It has MIDI and USB for sync and connections to external devices. So the sync options include USB, MIDI, clock, and internal for maximum versatility. This drum machine has 15 voices, which include bass drum, snare drum, clap, rim shot, metallic beat, maracas, tambourine, and more. You have a volume control for each voice. So when it comes to sound control, you have accent balance, level, times 10, master volume, instrument select, and voice select. The controls over the sequencer is tempo, variation, measure, track instrument, track pattern, variation. You have instrument select times 4, fade in and out. When it comes to storage, preset patterns are 34, preset variations 11, programmable patterns are 32, programmable tracks is 12. When it comes to price and availability, it is available now for pre-order for $200 USD. What are your thoughts on the Behringer RD-78? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.